अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज हम काफ़ी दिनों के बाद एक नया टॉपिक देखेंगे जो कि है ट्रेडिशनल राइट्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर्स एंड द इशू ऑफ वुमेन्स प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स। तो हम देखेंगे गाइस इस टॉपिक में क्या क्या है। सो नाउ ट्रेडिशनल राइट्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर्स। ओके, द फॉरेस्ट राइट्स जिसे हम कहते हैं FRA 2006 recognizes the rights of the forest dwelling tribal communities and other traditional forest dwellers to forest resources on which these communities were dependent for a variety of needs including livelihood, habitation and other socio-cultural needs. The forest management policies, including the Act's rules and forest policies of participatory forest management policies in both colonial and both post-colonial period in India, did not till the enactment of this act recognize the symbiotic relationships of the STs with the forest reflected in their dependence of the forest as well as in their traditional wisdom regarding for conservation of their forest. तो हमने देखा ये जो है ये इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट था। तो अब हम चलते हैं आगे के और जो इसका है वो देखते हैं। द एक्ट The act encompasses rights of self-cultivation and habitation which are usually regarded as individual rights, and community rights are grazing, fishing and access to water bodies in forest, habitat rights for PVZTs, traditional seasonal resource, access of nomadic and pastoral community, access to biodiversity, community right to intellectual property and traditional knowledge, recognition of traditional customary rights and right to protect, regenerate or conserve or manage any community forest resource for sustainable use. It also provides right to allocation of forest and land for developmental purposes to fulfill basic infrastructural needs of the community in conjunction with the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Settlement Act 2013. FRA protects and tribal people population from eviction without rehabilitation and settlement. Now, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force and subject to the provisions of this Act, the central government hereby recognizes and vests forests right in the following two parts: the forest dwelling scheduled tribes in states or areas in states where they are declared as scheduled tribes in respect of all forest rights mentioned in section 3. The other traditional forest dwellers in respect of all forest rights mentioned in section 3. This was the recognition of forest rights. Now we see what are rights of tribals. Rights including community tenures of habitat and habitation of primitive tribal groups and pre-agriculture communities, rights in or over disputed lands under any nomenclature in any state where claims are disputed, rights for conversion of patras or leases or granted issues by any local council or any government. So these are the rights of tribals. Now, the scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dwellers Act 2006 was enacted to protect the marginalized socio-economic class of citizens and balance the right to environment with their right to life and livelihood. जो शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स और ये जो एक्ट बनाया गया है 2000 बेसिकली ये जो मार्जिनाइज्ड क्लास है सिटीजन्स है उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए बनाया गया है और ये एक बैलेंस क्रिएट करने के लिए बनाया गया ताकि हमारा जो लाइवलीहुड है और जो एनवायरनमेंट का जो बैलेंस है वो ना बिगड़े. सो दिस वाज द राइट फॉरेस्ट राइट्स 2006. द शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स एंड फॉरेस्ट dwellers एक्ट or the simply in the Forest Rights Act 2006 grant legal recognition to the traditional forest dwellers for undoing the injustice related to possession of land and ownership in the forest areas. Post independence, the purpose of the act was to recognize the rights of the forest dwellers in conservation and protection of forests and wildlife. The act recognizes and ensures forest rights to the scheduled tribes and forest dwellers to provide them food security and livelihood, thereby establishing the responsibilities and authority for sustainable use, conservation of biodiversity, and maintenance of ecological balance. This is the Forest Rights Act 2016. Now, let's see who is a traditional forest dweller under FRA 2016. As per the definition, the other traditional forest dwellers under the FRA must fulfill two essential conditions. There one is they must be primarily residing in the forest lands belonging to the scheduled tribe communities. They have been inhabiting the lands for at least 3 generations prior to December 13th, 2005 as bona fides for their livelihood needs. So, there our next topic is what kind of forests do for rights do forest dwellers get under this Act 2006. सो दिस इज़ अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जिसके बारे में हम अपने अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे और आज हम यहीं तक रखते हैं हु इज़ द ट्रेडिशनल फॉरेस्ट डिवेलर अंडर FRA 2006. ओके सो मीट in the next video. Thank you so much.